Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a get ready with me. It's Memorial Day weekend, the gang is all here, and I think we're just gonna get out tonight as a family and have a good time. So I just want to do a simple little makeup look. So if you're interested, stay tuned. It's so funny that right when I start filming, the sun starts reflecting off of my face. Right when I start filming. Before this, it was fine. So today I'm going to be using the Profusion Wanderlust palette. I'm going to go in and use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer to prime my eye. Now I'm going to go into my transition shade with this color Statement. So I hope you guys are having a good holiday. It's been very relaxing for us as a family. And I just finished the Game of Thrones. I literally watched seasons 1 through 8 in the last 4 weeks. I know people have been watching this show for nearly a decade, and I just finished it all in 4 weeks. But it was really, really good. Aside from all of the sexual content that they had in the first few seasons, I feel like if you can just get past all of that, it really is a good show. Now that it's over, I'm kind of sad because it's really one of the best shows that I've ever seen on TV. It was like the never-ending movie, and now it's over. Kind of sad just thinking about what else we can watch that's going to be that good. Comment down below and let me know if you like Game of Thrones, and if so, were you upset with the ending? I feel like a lot of people were upset with the ending, but I felt like it was a really good ending. I think the show was realistic. I thought the writing was great, and the actors are all good, and the plots and everything really interesting. Really good show. Really loved it. I'm gonna keep it simple today and go in with the Ciate London cream eyeshadow. I got this in the BoxyCharm box for May, and I just really like this cream shadow for summer. It doesn't show any of the lavenderish color that's there. It sheers all the way out, and I really love this cream shadow, but the glitter does get everywhere, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that up. I'm gonna go in with a bit more. Now I'm gonna go back into the palette with the color Coast, and I'm taking it on the same brush, tapping off the excess, and I'm just gonna hit up the outer corner. And I feel like that deepened it up just a bit in the outer third. Now I'm going to do a bit of highlighting with the color Chill. If you hear a lot of noise in the background, it's because my husband and our boys are in the man cave and they're playing a video game, and they have the sound system up so loud in there, and there's guns going off and sword fights. I mean, I don't know if you can have guns and sword fights in the same game, but it sounds like it's about to blow up in there. So that's that. And then the dogs, we have a new dog, and eldest dog is not really getting along with the new dog, barking, going back and forth. So yeah, there's a lot of noise. Now I'm just going to prime my face, hit it up with some foundation, and complete my face so I can finish out my eye look. And I'm going to use the Laura Mercier. This is the Radiance Foundation Primer. And I like this primer because it does give you that radiance look underneath your foundation. I think this is perfect for a summer glow. Taking my Morphe F520. And I feel like I want to deepen up the outer V just a little bit more with that Coast color. Now to conceal, using my Tarte Shade Tape in the color Deep. And I'm just going to let that sit for a bit before I spread it out. Ran out of my favorite NYX HD concealer that I like to use for my cream or liquid contour. So I'm gonna use my LA Pro contour cream. I'm just gonna blend the concealer out. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any plans for the Memorial Day weekend. We were going to go out of town, but the family we were going to go see ended up coming to town. So we may hook up with them, but then there's all types of events that they're having around the city. So I think we're going to go check some of them out. So I don't know if you guys are paying any attention to all of the beef that was going on in the beauty community with Tati and James Charles, and then even Jeffree Star got pulled into it. I'm just so glad that after a few weeks of back and forth with videos that they've sorted the entire thing out and they've all moved on, because I think all of us were getting really really tired of just all of the drama. Some people can be mature about things, and I'm glad that they all showed that they can be mature about the situation and apologize and move on. So I love that for them. I think that's great, because we're all just here for makeup. We're not here for the gossip or any of that other stuff. Now I'm going to bake using the Pretty Vulgar powder in Matte About It. Powder gets everywhere. While that's sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes. I want to do a pop of color since this look is so golden, bronzy, and chocolate and all of that. I'm gonna go in with this pop of color here, and this is the color Go Girl. And I'm gonna take this into my lower lash. And this look is actually inspired by Ali. Is it Gines or Glines? I think it's Glines. I always say her name wrong, but she just released a video reviewing the new CoverGirl cream glitter shadows. They're kind of like the Stila ones that are very popular, but they're by CoverGirl. They're so beautiful, and I'm thinking I actually want to get my hands on those. Drugstores are just really doing the dang thing, if you ask me. There's really nothing luxury that you can't get at the drugstore these days as far as types of makeup, and I think that that's pretty cool. I would do a little bit of eyeliner, but I kind of want to keep the look a little bit natural, so I'm just going to go in with some lashes. And today I'm going to be using the House of Lashes Serene Light. When I wear lashes, I really don't see the point in going in with mascara on my top lash, but I'll definitely hit up my bottom lash. While I'm waiting on my lash glue to dry, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise on my bottom lash. Now I'm going to place the lashes. Promise, lashes can be the most difficult thing to do for me when I'm doing my makeup. It really is a science to it. Like, it's letting the glue dry for the right amount of time. It's placing them in the right spot. It's pressure. It's so much. So there's the eyes, and now I'm going to put a bit of my brow back that disappeared when I was concealing and powdering. I'm kind of starting to like the spiky look right at the start of my brows, because I think that makes it look just a bit more natural. And I use the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Voluminizer in deep brown. Gives the color back to the brows if they disappear. So I really like to have this on hand. I do want to do a little bit of blush, and I am going to use again this Alamar Cosmetics blush trio that I got in the BoxyCharm box this month. They did send me the wrong one. This is the one for medium tan, but I do like this toasted color, so I'm going to use that. Just a touch is all it takes. Look at that pigment there. That's all I need. Now to highlight, I'm taking the Artist Couture Purple Dream. I think we got this in the BoxyCharm box last month, and this one's got some real pigment too. For my lips, I'm going to keep it simple and take a bit of the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. Really need to get me some more of this stuff. When it comes to summer, I really just love a glossy, voluptuous lip. And that is it for this look, guys. I hope you like. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys back here next time.